Hello and welcome to another video from us at Refresh. Today we'll be looking at how to change your 301 cartridges on your HP Deskjet 1050A. Now we've already plugged this one in, so first things first, we're going to turn it on. Now we've got two lights flashing on the front here. This is indicating that the printer's detected that the cartridges need changing. So if we open the front panel, the cartridges are going to move across here, so we've got access to be able to change them. Now from another angle here, we're going to power the printer on, open the front flap, and there are our cartridges. Now these do fit in there quite snugly, but they're not too difficult to remove. I'll try and leave this so you're able to see, but you need to put some pressure just on the front here and sort of pull towards you, while at the same time with a thumb push away from you, and the cartridge will unlock and pop out, and from there we can remove that one. The same on the other one. Now we have our replacement cartridge. We're just going to remove the protector from the print head. There we go. And much like we put them in, we're going to angle slightly, push the back in first, and then tilt into the machine. And a little bit of force upwards and away, and that clips in nicely. And the same on the black, so we're going to put the back corner in first and then tilt up and away from us until it clicks. There we go, that's installed. And we can close the front back up. And we're done.